Hi, my name is Rahul. Today we will discuss about electric current and its effect part 1. Introduction. In this video we will learn about symbols of electric component, a simple electric circuit, heating effect of electric current, uses of heating effect of electric current, electric fuse, magnetic effect of electric current, and about electromagnet. Now first we will discuss about symbols of electric current. So this is the basic. See, these are the components of electric current. See, these are the components of electric current. So these type we have to draw electric components, means this type we have to draw electric component. So now a simple electric circuit. A simple electric circuit can be made by using electric cell, electric bulb, switch and wires. Means a simple electric circuit made up of this. I will show the pictures of this in next. The bulb glows when the switch is in on position and the circuit is closed. When the circuit is closed and the switch is in the on position, the bulb will glow like this. Okay. Now we will talk about electric cell. What do you know by electric cell? An electric cell has a positive terminal and negative terminal. The symbol of electric cell has a longer line and shorter line. See, this is an electric cell. The longer line is positive terminal and shorter line is negative terminal as shown in the figure. See, this is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. In circuit, we have to write like this. See, in circuit, we have to write like this. So you know about electric cell. Next we will talk about a battery. You see this battery somewhere? So now a battery is a combination of two or more cells. Means there is a combination of two or more cells is known as battery. Means in a battery, positive terminal of one cell is connected to negative terminal of other cell. Means the wire will connect from positive terminal of one cell and to negative terminal of other cell. Battery are used in transistor radios, remotes, toys, etc. Means you see remote cars and radios and TV remotes. So they use battery. Means two or more cells is known as battery. The battery will represent in the circuit as shown in the figure below. Means this is represent in the circuit as shown like this. Heating effect of electric current. What do you know? Heating effect of electric current. When electric current flows through a wire, it gets heated. It is called as heating effect of electric currents. Means like, see, uses of heating effect of electric current. Now, the heating effect of electric current is used in electric appliances like electric heater, iron box, and hair dryer, etc. Means we will use in iron box and in air dryer and in water heater. See like this. So all the appliances have coil of wire called an element. There is an element. When the electric current flows through the element, it becomes hot and give out heat. Means there is an element. When electric current flows through the element, it will become hot and give out as heat. Means in, see, like hair dryer, the element will become hot when the switched to the current and it will give us heat here. The amount of heat produced in a wire depends upon its material length and thickness. Means if the wire is so much thick, it will take so much of time to get heated. If the material is thin, so it will become heat fast. So now we will talk about electric fuse. Electric fuse is a safety device used in electric circuit which protects the electric circuit and appliances and prevent fire. Means see, this is an electric fuse. So it prevents from short circuit or the damage of electric appliances and from and prevent fires. What type? Means see, Electric fuse is used in all electric circuit in buildings. See, in building they use electric fuse. See, uses electric fuse as a wire which melts quickly when a large amount of current passes through it. Means sometimes there will be large amount of current. When pass through this electric fuse, it melt quickly and break the circuit. So there is no damage in any of the appliances. Now, thank you. And about electromagnet we will talk in next video. Thank you. Please subscribe this channel and watch more videos.